Welcome to Author for macOS. In Author, there is an edit mode and a read mode. You can toggle that by clicking here at the bottom or by doing Command/. The difference is, when you are in read mode, you can do spacebar to go down a screen. You can select text and then do spacebar.
Academic. Citation.
And it'll speak it out to you. Also, when you click on a citation in read mode, you get information about where the citation was taken from, and you get the full text. If you click on a video citation,
whenever they've been thinking about interactive computing, they've never thought about just how quickly and flexibly you can do things.
It plays from the exact second in the video that you were citing from. In Author, you can pinch to compress into a table of content view. You can keep pinching in and out. Then you can click where you want to jump to easily skim around your document. Another powerful way of finding your way around the document in Author is to change the view. You can do that through the find command, which is very different in Author. For example, if I want to find every occurrence of the word dialogue, I select it, do Command F, and I get all the sentences that have that word. I can click outside to go back, or I can click on it to jump to that sentence. I'll make a new document and show you how you can make citations in Author. Let's say we want to make a web citation. So we go to the website we want to cite from, select the text we want to cite, and then it's very handy to use the companion app, Liquid Flow. So keyboard shortcut, copy as citation. Can now go back to Author, and I do paste. It knows that I've copied as citation, so it asks if I want to paste the citation. And it fills out everything it can from that text that we had selected, apart from the name of the author, since that is not part of the HTML. You'll now see the formatting has changed. If we click Done to go into read mode, we can click on it, and we have access to the original, and we can of course click to open the original, but we can also click on the text itself, and that results in a Google search on the text, so we can see if the citation is correct. So to make a video citation, I go to the moment that I want to start the citation from.
And the goal, I just was welded in my mind, because it says, hey, why don't I pick a goal that'll maximize the benefits my career will have?
So I go to 54 seconds. Control click to copy the video URL at the current time. Go to Author. So I select this, do Command T for citation, and now the system knows I have a copy from YouTube. So it'll fill everything in except for the name, because you don't know who is talking. It includes the specific time. So I now go to read mode.
Hey, why don't I pick a goal that'll maximize the benefits my career will have to mankind?
I showed you how to use Liquid Flow to make a video citation. I'll show you how Liquid Flow can help you in general. Let's say we have text with the word Europe. We can select that to keyboard shortcut. Look that word up in Wikipedia really quickly. The way we did that is by selecting keyboard shortcuts, and then we don't have to use the mouse. We can do R and W, so I'll do that again. So it's a very quick way to look up in many different sources, including looking at images and so on. Another useful editing function in Liquid Author is cuttings. If you write a sentence and then another one and cut it, and then you cut other text, you would normally not be able to paste anything except for the last one. But in Author, there's built-in cuttings, so whatever you cut, if you hold down Command-Shift-V, you will get a list of everything that you had cut. This stays with the document when you quit the document, so it's a persistent clipboard. To format text in Author, you select the text, and you can either do the traditional keyboard shortcut such as Command-I for italic, Command-B for bold, or you can Control-click, and then you can choose from the menu. You'll see in the menu you actually have the keyboard shortcuts listed so that they're quite easy to learn. To assign headings in Author, select the text, either Control-click and choose a heading, or do a keyboard shortcut such as Command-2 for heading level 2. You can now pinch to collapse and expand automatically. Finally, just a neat thing for now, which will hopefully be more useful in the future. If you take 2 fingers to swipe horizontally, you flip around the document. On the back of the document, you have the information that other people will be using when they cite your document. So flip horizontal to flip around, and 2 fingers up and down to move, and 2-finger pinch to go into table of contents. Those are the basic gestures for how you interact with Author.